I'm Sherman Gomberg, and this is 5 Minutes with CaDoMi AI. Today's topic, creating your first user stories. Let's go to the product backlog and see what product we have and what product backlog we're going to create to get the user stories in there. I'm going to click on product backlog. If you watched our prior videos, you will know that we have a product called Trusted Home Equity Loan and Line of Credit. This is solving a problem for low-income members seeking home equity loans and lines of credit, as listed here in our product description. We have a product goal, and our product goal says we are trying to help those middle low-income members by delivering transparent, fast, and personalized home equity loans and line of credit products to support their day-to-day financial needs. We even created an objective and key results to help us deliver against that goal. So let's go ahead and build our first set of user stories to solve this problem. Let's bring in our CaDoMi AI coach to help us with this journey. I'm going to bring up the prior conversation and let's continue it. Here's the conversation we started before. Hey CaDoMi, create the first 10 user stories to solve this problem for the product description that will advance us towards the product goal and deliver against the OKR that we created. Let's send that off. What CaDoMi AI is doing now, it is bringing in all that connection and making sure we solve the right problem that builds against our product we're trying to do, that will deliver against the goal and align towards the objective and key result that we set. It will identify the user stories for us, which it just did, and it gave us the title. I'm going to bring this into full screen for a moment so you can see the 10 that we created. So it drafted the 10 user stories for the Trusted Home Equity Loan and Line of Credit. Aligns with the product goal and OKR to solve the problem. And here's the highlights, basically the titles or subjects. We want a user-friendly loan application, implement real-time application status, develop an online pre-qualification tool, design flexible repayment plans, reduce educational resources, provide educational resources, integrate member feedback, and so on. And then it asked me to make sure we confirm with that. Would you like me to proceed and create these user stories in the product backlog? And I would. Let's go ahead and do that. We could ask it to show us the acceptance criteria and so forth, but for right now, let's go ahead and create these. So I'm just going to say confirmed. Let's get these into our product backlog. So these 10 user stories now that it created, went ahead and it put them directly into our product backlog. If you notice, that only takes a few seconds. I'm going to hide the coach for a moment. Here's our 10 user stories. Went ahead and has automatically assigned a number to them. It used the key that we have for our product, which is THELLOC, all right, 1 through 10. It actually added some additional things for us because it's already trained and aware. It created a group so you can categorize and organize your user stories, and it even sized them. We have trained it to size using relatively Fibonacci sizing, which we'll look at in another video. If you want to look at our 10 user stories, you can open it up. You can make it full size, and you can see you got a nice story title. You got a description. You have acceptance criteria as a bullet list. You can add notes. Here's your size, and here's your group. I'm Sherman Gomberg, and this has been 5 Minutes with CaDoMi AI.